Assalamu alaikum class. Good morning. How are you all? Class, I hope all of you complete this previous work. After completed it, ready? 4 pages for work. Mention complete date and day on 4 pages. What date is today? Today the Islamic date is 30 Rabiul Thani 1442. And the English date is today 15 December 2020. CW for class work and the day is Tuesday. Like this, ready 4 pages for work in your English copy. Okay. After completed 3 questions, write question number 4. What happened to the meat? What happened to the meat? Answer is the puppy followed Hans, nibbling the meat. The puppy followed Hans, nibbling the meat. Question number 5 is, what happened to the butter? What happened to the butter? The answer is, the butter had melted in the sun. The butter had melted in the sun. We have complete question number 4 and 5 also. After completed it, with complete date and day, right here with blue color, compound words. Compound words. What are compound words? They are two different words join and make a word. This word is called compound words. Like cup and board are two different words. If we join it, cupboard, so we make our new word cupboard. Door and bell. These are two different words. If we join it, so it's make a new word doorbell. These words are called compound words. Write with blue color compound words. Cup plus bird, board, cupboard. Number 2, door plus bell, doorbell. Number 3, strap plus watch, strap watch. Number 4, book plus shelf, bookshelf. Number 5, foot plus ball, football. After completed question number 4 and 5, complete this page also. These are compound words, all of you, and mention complete date and day on this page. Done now? Now, if you complete this page, open the next page here. Write the question with complete date and day. 30 Rabiul Thani 1442, 15 December 2020. CW for classwork and the day is Tuesday. Put the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Number A is pocket, his, in, put, hand, he, his. He put his hand in his pocket. Pocket, his, in, put, hand, he, his. He put his hand in his pocket. Now next, boy are you foolish are. Boy are you foolish are. You are a foolish boy. You are a foolish boy. String have, should, are, you, tied it to. String have, you, should, are, you, tied it to. You should have tied to string it. You should have tied to string it. Done everyone? I want complete date and day in all pages, all of you. 30 Rabiul Thani 1442, 15th December 2020, CW for classwork and the day is Tuesday. Done? Complete it in neat and clean writing. I want perfect writing in your copies. Write correct T. Understand? T की फॉर्मेशन हरगिज गलत नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी भी बच्चे की. Complete these 4 pages. Question number 1, page number 1, page 2, compound words, and page number 3 and 4. These put the words in the correct order to make meaningful sentences. Done everyone? Complete this work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.